Here at Martin Family Farms, gonna be one load of heifers, all natural. These heifers are just like the steers coming out of Yon Family Farm Angus bulls. These heifers will be predominantly Angus. There are a few Baldies. Most of the makeup on these cattle will be straight Angus. Could be just a little bit of Continental way back in their bloodline. Won't be very much. All these cattle be M1s, medium flesh. This load's getting about 10 pounds of feed per head per day, along with what pasture and hay they have. All these heifers have been vaccinated by BQA guidelines. They're on the Zoetis program. 2 rounds of Bovishield Gold, 2 rounds of blackleg shot. They have been wormed with long-range wormer. Again, these cattle are all natural, no implants. A very, very nice set of heifers. Coming from Yon Family Farms, Mr. Jeffrey Martin here, near Godwin, North Carolina. These cattle will be ready to go this month at any time. I'd like to get them out here as soon as possible. They will be on the max video sale for November 8th. Delivery date will be just as soon as possible after that. We do have certified scales here at the farm. There will be weight on the ground here. A fancy set of heifers, all natural, Angus base, coming from Martin Family Farms to be sold.